In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Mobile for video script. To get started, open the Genspark AI Mobile app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, head to your home dashboard and tap the AI chat, also called the Spark bar. This is where you'll enter your request and guide the AI to help you build your video script in a more organized way. Next, tap the model drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to choose either Claude Sonnet 5 or GPT-5-4. These models are especially useful for video scripting because they tend to handle natural pacing well, create smoother dialogue flow, and follow structure more reliably. Choosing the right model at the beginning can make a big difference in how clean and usable your script turns out. After that, return to the AI chat or Spark bar if needed and get ready to enter your instructions. Before asking the AI to write the full script, make sure you first direct it to create a structural layout. This is an important part of the process because it helps keep the final script focused, organized, and easier to follow. It also reduces the chances of the AI drifting off topic or generating something that feels too long-winded. Once you're ready, type in your prompt or paste it into the chat box. Make sure your request is clear so the AI understands the style, tone, and format you want. Then click Submit to start generating. When the response appears, review the generated structural outline directly in your mobile view. Take a moment to read through it carefully and make sure the flow makes sense before moving forward. This quick review helps you catch anything that may need adjustment early, which can save time and lead to a much stronger final script. That's the basic process for using Genspark AI Mobile to start building effective video scripts.